HERO7 Black video camera. I've had this for about 2 years now, and I really like it. I'm a gymnast and gymnastics coach, and this camera takes great action shots, as well as for some walking around shots, because it has a nice built-in stabilizer. The audio quality also is quite good, as it's upgraded from some previous versions. I usually use it with this case on, because it's nice to hold on to this handle, and I also sometimes attach it to the chest mount or the head mount when I do things like horseback riding or motorcycle riding. This clips off here, pulling it down, and you open up the back, and the camera comes out. On the bottom here, you slide this up and open this compartment, and you can take out the battery by pulling on the pull tab here. And the SD cards here, you just push it in and you can pull it out and connect it to your computer. Overall, a really nice camera.